In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a review for a product on Amazon. So first thing you want to do is open up your favorite web browser, and you're going to go to Amazon.com. Type that into the web address, search it on Google, and then hit enter. Once the website loads, you want to check and make sure that you are logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and just sign in. At the top, there's a search bar, so go ahead and search for the product you're looking for. In this case, I'm going to use my debut novel as an example. So I'm going to type in the title and the author and hit enter. That brings up my search results, and I can see right here at the top, the first result is the one I'm looking for. So I'm going to click the title link, and that's going to bring up the product page. As you can see here, we've got the 2 editions as well as the purchasing options on the right. Now with Amazon, to leave a review, you've got to scroll past the top part, past the books you may like, past the product details, past the more about the author, and go down to the customer review section, which is at the bottom. Once you get there, you'll notice there's no reviews yet as of the recording of this, so you could be the first one. So go ahead and click the write a customer review, and that's all you need to do, and this is true for any product on Amazon. All right, I hope that was helpful. Thank you very much. Hey there, my name's Anthony. Now that you know how to leave a review, I want to talk about the importance of why you should leave a review. Leaving reviews does 2 things. One, it tells other readers who might be interested in a book what to expect. So that's the #1 reason you should always leave a review. The second reason is it helps new authors, especially ones like me, build their careers. These reviews are not only seen by potential readers who might read the book, it's also used as part of the various algorithms that online stores use to show books to other readers. So I encourage you to always leave a review, whether it is for a book I've written or for a book someone else has written. It'll definitely help other readers and the author. All right, happy reading!